Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Ssms installed and Visual Studio 2022 with data workload enabled. Once done, run Visual Studio as administrator to prevent permission blocks. Next, open SQL Server Object Explorer. You will use it to manage connections. Then, click the Add SQL Server button and choose Database Engine. At this early stage, focus on accurate server name, authentication type, and valid credentials so the remainder of the process succeeds without avoidable errors. You now perform the core connection steps. Pick Database Engine and enter the server name exactly as in Ssms. Use server \instance or server, port when necessary. Then choose Authentication, Windows for Integrated Security or SQL Server for username/password. Make sure to open Advanced Options to set the port, encryption, or multi-subnet failover if your environment requires it. Once configured, click Test Connection. When the test succeeds, save the connection into SQL Server Object Explorer, so you finish by opening the connected database in Visual Studio and expanding objects to verify access. Then use Server Explorer or SQL Server Object Explorer to run a quick query, edit tables, or attach an MDF file. If you are deploying, use SQL Server Data Tools to publish schema and data. If connection fails, check common issues. Firewall rules blocking the port, SQL browser service disabled, or mismatched authentication mode, switch to mixed mode or correct credentials. One troubleshooting tip: enable TCP/IP in SQL Server Configuration Manager.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.